I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google Scholar, because results adapt to your access and library links. Start with a precise query using quotes for exact phrases and author, or publication, to focus. Once done, apply a time range and sort by relevance or date to reduce noise and surface recent keywords. This first step establishes context and sources you can access. You'll save time later when exporting citations or checking cited by chains. Now refine results. Scan titles and snippets and click cited by to trace influential papers. Use related articles and all versions to find full texts or alternative access, and open PDFs directly when available for faster reading. Make sure to check citation counts, publication year, and journal to assess relevance and credibility. Once you identify core references, add them to your personal library and label searches so you can return and build a systematic reference list without repeating steps. Finish by exporting citations. Click Cite and choose BibTX, EndNote, RefMan, or copy formatted references into your document. This prevents manual errors. Add selected items to my library and set alerts for your query to capture new papers automatically. If a key paper is missing, try synonyms, broader keywords, alternative author spellings, or toggle library links. Sometimes access settings hide PDFs. One troubleshooting tip. If access fails, use the cited by trail or related articles to find accessible equivalents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.